parents. How about that? Would you talk with us right now? Suspend your meeting and talk with us for a moment, because we have something to say too. We don't want to be left out of this decision because we're the ones going to school.
And I'm just concerned about this desegregation thing they're trying to put together. How that will hurt the students. Because when you separate kids, you create this weird curiosity, which usually turns into jealousy and hate and eventually turns into a prejudice. But when you allow kids to grow up together, the world is diverse. So why would you separate kids?
I'm here because I don't want to see Wakefield turn into the giant saltine school.
I'm here for the same reason, and the fact that if they're so confident in what they're doing, they should call for a countywide referendum to let the people actually decide what they want.
For me, I'm not going to let Dr. King and all the other civil rights leaders die in vain, or other marches be in vain. If I have to march, I'll march. I'm not here to be violent. It's non-violent, but this is really ridiculous, and I don't think anybody who has an ounce of sense should even think that this is okay to try to get rid of a diversity clause.
I'm against neighborhood schools.
I believe that the Wake County Public School System Board of Education is single-handedly destroying our school and everything that has made it great.
Throughout the school system, like through my years of going to Ligon and Enloe, I've been everywhere. I've seen so many things, experienced so much. I'm gonna miss it. Like, this is not only gonna affect Enloe and other magnet schools, this is gonna affect everything around it, and the board is gonna tear this all apart.
No segregation in our town, shut it down! No segregation in our town, shut it down! No segregation in our town, shut it down! No segregation in our town.